Hey guys, we got a couple people asking for Tribeca stuff, so there's not too many of these on the road, and whoever does have one, there's not too many videos out on them, so we're going to show you how to take some stuff off the door if you want to service the main, driver door. First of all, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the door panel, and then we'll continue to remove the rest of the parts piece by piece. Right here, if you can see it, there's a little tab. All Subarus have them. There's a little Phillips screwdriver in there. This is how you can remove this piece right here. That's just a screw. There's a little rubber that sits in here. Take your pick, flathead, your flathead, your panel pop or whatever, and pull this out. Just nudge on the side of it. There's supposed to be a screw right here. Someone never put a screw back, but there's one screw that's supposed to be right here, right in there. Looks just like that. That screw that belongs there. Someone just didn't put one in there. After you remove that screw, if you go ahead and let's see, I get my. If you slowly just pry up on this puppy, it will. If you pull it really hard from here, you'll snap it right here. Don't do that. Just let it slowly come out, and it will come up like this, and then slide up and over. And here's that little clip right here. I'm gonna pull on this a little bit, give it a little tension, and push that at the same time, and it will. And that's how you remove the master switch. Okay.